Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle is a binary puzzle in today's newspaper on a Monday. Yes, new week, new puzzles. Monday, January 22nd, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. Two of those puzzles I've already solved. The 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. And what's the news of today? Well, today it's 107 days ago another war started, and it started between Israel and Hamas. Yeah. Well, the war is still going on, so it's not finished. All right. Let me continue with this binary puzzle number 7847. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits, same as the previous Sudokus. So 3 of them are with 26 printed digits. All right. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. And now the double O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Now the double ones again. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Now the double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Then between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Then. Let me think. Well, we have here 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in the last row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be an O. Alright. Then, yeah. Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no. This should be a 1. Okay. Then, well, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no. This should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Still have 4 O's in this column. If I place number 5 there, then we still have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no. This should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Oh, overlook this double O. Okay, and now 1, 2, 3, 4 ones in this column. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. And here, wait, come on. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Okay, 4. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, it seems that I need to compare. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, need to compare. Question is which row? We have 1, 2 rows completed. Double 1 and a double O here. 1 and double O. Here also double 1. Here double 1. O, double O. Here 1 O. No, not the same, not the same. Oh wait, between two ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one, double 1, here no, there no. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. And now 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Well. Okay. 1001. Do we have 1001 here? No. Well, it seems like this one and the first row are the same, but we are missing here the O and a 1 there. I cannot compare these columns. 1, 2. But these, no. Need to compare the rows. How about here, double 1 and double 1 here? Do we have a double 1 and double 1 there? We have still 2. No. I cannot compare this one. How about this one? 1001. No. How about this one? Double O. Here we have a double O. This row. And that row, I believe. No, this row. Yeah. Okay, let me compare. Empty box 001100111100. Empty box 11. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1. This should be no. Okay. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. And now 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need to compare again. Well, these rows or this column. We have a double 1 here. Here we have a double 1. No, not the same. How about here? Double O. Here we have a double O. No, not the same. I think we need to compare the rows. Okay, double O here. We have a double O here. This row and that row. Told you earlier. So we need to switch these. Two boxes. Okay. Here. Let me check again. 1, 1. Empty box. 1, 1. O, 1, 1. Yes. We have O here. This should be a 1. We have 1 here. This should be an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two 1s comes an O. Finish in 9 minutes. Well, we solved again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the rest of the puzzles of the weekend edition. So have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then, bye bye for now.